Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java.
As you see, the dashboard changed completely because I migrated the application from Bootstrap 3 to Bootstrap 4 and added some extra functionality which I am going to demo in this video. I hope you enjoy, then keep patience and watch the complete video. Let's start the server. Server started. Let's open the application in the browser. I already added a bookmark, so just click on that. If you watched our previous videos, then you can feel the difference. As you can see, I added one button for register. Let's click on that. See, registration form opens. As you can see, required fields for registration and at the end CAPTCHA as well. So without entering the CAPTCHA, you cannot register. We will register some user. Wait for some time. Till the time, let's log in as admin. So admin username is Mighty Java and password is password. Let's log in with that. If you watched on Fly database video, then you knew about credentials. See, it logged in successfully. No data available for dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see change language button is there. Now you can see only two options are there, French and English. Later we'll add so many languages. Just to check it is working or not, let's click on French. See, all the messages translated. You knew how that works if you watched localization related videos. Let's change back to English. We will go through all the form in French at the end of this video. Let's click on user list. Now we have only one record. Later, if any user register from register form, then admin can see, modify the other user details as well. Let's click on the address list. You can see no addresses available. This is new for you if you watched old videos. Click on the category list. You can see no categories available. Wait for some time, we will add some categories. Click on the video list. You can see no videos available. Wait for some time, we will add everything. Now click on the top right corner user icon. Here you can see two options like change password and log out. Click on change password. So from here, you can change your password. Now let's click on log out. Logged out successfully. So as you see, close icon after logging out messages. So when you click on that, it will dismiss this alert. Let's click on that. See, it's working. Click on register. Let's add the new user. Enter details about the user. The incoming video, we will remove this username as well. So instead of username, we will log in through email. Let's try to enter the wrong CAPTCHA. See, CAPTCHA validation is happening properly. If you watched CAPTCHA related video, then you knew very well how CAPTCHA works. Let's enter the correct value. See, this user added successfully, and after some milliseconds it will redirect to user login page. See, it came. Now let's log in with this user which we added just now. See, I entered the wrong password and it is not allowing to logic. Let's enter the correct password. As you can see, some looks good message also coming. See, logged in successfully. As you can see a header, there is only one option, home. What about other options? Those options are available only for admin, so how he can see his details. Let's click on the user icon. As you can see, two additional options like profile and address. Let's click on the profile. As you can see the detail which we entered during registration. He cannot add any user. He can edit only his details, but he cannot delete. Let's click on the edit icon. As you can see, only 4 fields he can change. Let's change his email address. See, it's updated successfully. As you can see, user ID he has not entered anything is generated automatically. Now click on the address. For him, no address is available. Let's click on add address button. If you watched previous videos, then you are very much familiar with this form. Only one additional field, address type. Let's add one address for him. As you can see, address type 3 options are available like a permanent, temporary, office. So like that, you can add as many. For this time, let's select permanent and fill other details. See, validation is working properly. See, address added successfully. so like that he can add address but one address for one type. Change password like admin. Click on log out. Let's log in as admin and add some categories and related videos. But before that, click on user list. See newly registered user also coming now. Let's try to modify his details. See for admin it's allowing, and as you can see add user button also available. So if he wants he can add a new user as well. Let's add one. See added successfully. Let's click on delete. See confirmation message is coming. Let's delete this. See user deleted successfully. Let's click on the address list. Let's click on add address button and let's add one address for admin. See address saved successfully. Click on the video list. No videos available. Click on the add video button. As you can see here categories are required. The video is nothing but YouTube videos. Let's add some categories. See a category added successfully. Let's add one more. See it's very simple. Now let's add some video. Click on the add video button. As you can see categories also now coming under the multi-select drop down. Let's open our channel and copy some video address. That's it. Click on save. See saved successfully. Now let's click on the home. See the video as showing in a nice way. And the category is coming at the bottom. So like that, I added 3. Now 8. As you can see if the count is 8 then pagination also coming. And now so many. And when I click on the second page see another page video is showing. See it's nice and beautiful dashboard. The user that we already saw. Address also. Click on category. So like I added many categories. As you can see. Now click on the video. See there are many videos are available. Now let's change language from English to French. See now all label converted into French. Just navigating through all the pages. As you can my computer screen resolution is little higher, so let's reduce it to 67%. See it is looking perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. This project now become a kind of prototype. You can convert it to anything. If you want this code then contact me through my email ID, and that is in the description.
Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.